In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create private stories on Snapchat. Now this will work on Android and iOS, and you don't need any third-party apps or secret tricks. You can just use the Snapchat app, and I'll show you how you can do that right now. But before I show you exactly how you can do this, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video if this helps you out. Now with that being said, let's show you how this works. So first of all, you want to prepare the story that you want to post, okay? So I'm simply going to take a picture right now, and I'm just going to put a easy caption, a simple caption, private story, and then let's just do big text. There you go. So you simply want to create the story or the picture that you want to post into a private story. Then next up, you want to click on the send icon at the bottom right, and then here you'll see a list of all the people that you're sending Snapchats to, okay? But you want to click on private story at the top right corner, which is just under new group. So you'll see stories, and then you'll see private story right there. Click on that, and then right there you can actually select the friends that you want to share the private story with, right? So I can select some people, and by doing that I can actually create a private story on Instagram. Now that's exactly how you do this. You can then click on create story, and you can then send it. You can then send your snap to that private story, okay? And that's exactly how you can create private stories on Snapchat. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like so that we can reach more people. Comment down below that this works. Subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see more videos like this. I would appreciate that. And then I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Peace out.